Garden Suites by Melia. An all-inclusive resort where comfortable suites, some with direct pool access, blend seamlessly with the island's natural beauty. Enjoy unlimited access to a spectacular water park and restaurants at the exclusive Falcon's Resort by Meliá, all Suites Punta Cana. At Garden Suites by Meliá, all your wishes come true. Wake up in a suite with direct access to the pool or overlooking the garden. Discover delicious multicultural dishes in restaurants full of personality. Close your eyes and savor your favorite drink on one of the sunbeds in the pool. And savor the authentic local spirit with activities for the whole family. Set on sparkling white sand shores dotted with palm trees, Garden Suites by Meliá offers tranquil getaways in Punta Cana. This luxury resort features upscale accommodations and an impeccable location on famed Bavaro Beach. Spend sunny days lounging by the sparkling pools while many vacationers have a blast at the Kids Don't Kids Club with exciting activities. There's never a dull moment with resort activities for all ages like sushi making classes, wine tastings, salsa and bachata lessons and more, plus plenty of options to relax including therapeutic treatments from the Yi Spa, $. Beat the heat with non-motorized water sports or head to Falcon's Resort by Meliá next door and cool off at Blast. Water park with slides, water features and more. Choose from an array of premium dining options on site. From Asian specialties to Mediterranean fusion and quick bites by the pool, or explore all the restaurants and bars at Falcon's Resort by Meliá. When the sun goes down, grab a nightcap and dance the night away at the resort's nightclub before retiring to comfortable accommodations equipped with a minibar restocked daily. 24-hour room service, internet access and more convenient amenities, some featuring swim-up pools.